let us discuss about rod cutting problem using dynamic programming. A rod of length n inches is given. So parallelly let us solve one example. So here what is the rod length? 5 inches. The rod can be cut into smaller pieces. Here the pieces are given. The pieces available are 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose let us assume that piece length 3 is not given. Then we can't cut the 5-inch rod into a piece length of 3 inch. So we can cut 5-inch rod into a piece length of 1 inch, next to 2-inch piece, 4-inch piece, but 3-inch piece is not given. But in this example there is no problem. So here the pieces available are 1, 2, 3, 4. So the rod can be cut into 4 pieces, 1-inch piece, 2-inch piece, 3-inch piece, 4-inch piece. Each piece length has a selling price. So after cutting the rod into the pieces, the corresponding pieces will be sold to the customers. Okay. So every piece will have a selling price. So 1-inch length selling price is 2. 2-inch length selling price is 5. Likewise 9, 6. Here our goal is to determine the maximum revenue. So to determine the maximum revenue by cutting the rod into smaller pieces. So here our major aim is to determine the maximum revenue. So for that we have to construct a table or matrix. Here what is the rod length? The rod length is 5. The rod length is 5. So we can take the values from 0 to 5. 0 to 5. Suppose if rod length is 10 in given. If rod length is 10, then we have to take the values from 0 to 10. Likewise. So 0 to 10. Next, pieces available. Pieces or length of the pieces. So pieces available, or we can write as length of the piece. So it is denoted by index I. Index I. Next, for the pieces, the price or profit is given. So if we sell the corresponding piece, then we will get this profit. So price, profit, revenue, all are same only. So price or profit or revenue we can write. So here the pieces lengths are 1, 2, 3, 4. Next revenue, price or profit 2596. 2596. So let us fill this table. Here this table, all the cells will contains the profits or prices or revenue. The last cell represents the maximum revenue. Okay. So let us fill the first one. So 0, here the length of the rod is 0. So we can't make, here there is no 0 length rod. So we can't make 0-inch rod with these pieces. So here the revenue is all are zeros only. All are zeros. Next, 1-inch rod. 1-inch rod can be made with the help of this 1-inch piece. So we will get a profit of 2. Next to 2-inch rod. So for 2-inch rod, it can be cut into 2 1-inch pieces. So for 1-inch piece, the profit is 2. So 2 plus 2 means 4. Next to for 3-inch rod, it can be splitted. It can be cut into 3 1-inch pieces. So the profit for each piece is 2. So 2 into 3, 6. Next 8, 10. Next. Here we use a formula. So max of here the upper cell value is Q. So Q comma or this revenue R of n minus. N means rod length minus I. I means this piece length plus we have to add the corresponding profit. We have to add the corresponding profit. So we have to take the maximum value. Here the rod length is 1, whereas piece length is 2. So it is not possible. So 1-inch rod can't be made with 2-inch piece because 1 is less than 2. So we can't write 0 now. So let us take the maximum value, above value. So that is 2. Next to 2-inch rod, with 2-inch piece we can build, or 2-inch rod can be cut into two 1-inch pieces. So here the profit is 4, here the profit is 5. So out of 4, 5 is the maximum value. If you want, we can use that formula also. So max of Q, Q means upper value. So 4 comma R of N minus I. N means this rod length. So 2 minus I means this value, piece length value. So 2 minus 2 means 0. So R of 0 plus P of what is I? I means this 2, P of 2. P of 2. So 4 comma, what is R of 0? 0 revenue is 0. So 0 plus, what is P of 2? P of 2 is 5. So out of 5, 4, which is the maximum value? 5 is the maximum value. So that's why 5 is written. Next, rod length is 3, whereas pieces are 2 and 1 inch piece. So with rod length 3 means it can be cut into 2 pieces of 2 inch piece as well as 1 inch piece. So the profit is 5 plus 2, 7. Or if you want, we can use the formula also. So 3 minus 2 means 1. So 1 revenue is 2. So 2 plus, here the profit is 5. So 2 plus 5 means 7. Out of 7, 6, 7 is the maximum value. Okay. Next, 4 inch rod. So 4 minus 2 means 2. Next, 2 revenue or profit or price is 5. So 5 plus 5 means 10. Out of 8, 10. 10 is the maximum value. Next, 5 minus 2 means 3. 3 revenue or profit is 7. 7 plus 5 means 12. Out of 10, 12. 12 is the maximum value. Next, 1 less than 3. So take the upper value, 2. Next, 2 less than 3. So take the upper value, 5. 3, 3 equal. So the profit is 5, or the 3 inch rod that can be split into 2 pieces of 2 inch and 1 inch. So let us calculate the maximum value. So 3 minus, here also we have 3. So 3 minus 3 means 0. So 0 revenue is 0 only. So 0 plus the profit is 9. Out of 9, 7, 9 is the maximum value. Next, 4 minus 3 means 1. So 1 revenue is 2. 2 plus 9 means 11. Out of 10, 11, 11 is the maximum value. Next, here we have 5. So 5 minus 3 means 2. So 2 revenue is 5. So 5 plus the profit is 9. 5 plus 9 means 14. Out of 12, 14, 14 is the maximum. Next, 1 less than 4. So take the upper value. 2 less than 4. So take the upper value. 3 less than 4. Take the upper value. Next, here we have 4. So 4 minus 4 means 0. So 0 profit or revenue is 0. So 0 plus 6 means 6. Out of 6, 11. 6 is, 11 is the maximum value. Out of 6, 11, which is maximum. 11 is the maximum value. Next, here we have 5. So 5 minus 4 means 1. 5 minus 4 means 1. So 1 revenue is 2. So 2 plus 6 means 8. Out of 8, 14. 14 is the maximum value. So we can say that here the maximum revenue or the maximum profit or the maximum price is 14 is the maximum profit. So here the 5 inch rod can be splitted into 2 pieces. Because here the profit is 14. How to get 14? 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9 means 14. So here 5 inch rod. So 5 inch rod means we have to include this 2 inch piece as well as 3 inch piece. So the pieces which are included are 2 and 3. Whereas the maximum revenue is 5 plus 9, 14. If you want, we can also calculate here. Here, let us take the last value. This 14 is depending on, this 14 comes from the above 14. So we have to exclude it. Don't include this one. Why? Because this 14 is depending upon this 14. So don't include it. So reject this fourth piece. Next, let us go to the 14. This 14 is not depending upon this 12. This 14 is not depending upon this 12. So include this third one. So include the third one. Include the third piece. So what is the next piece which we have to include? This second piece. Why? Because what is the maximum profit here? We got the maximum profit as 14. 14 9 minus 9 means 5. So that 5 profit is nothing but this second inch piece profit. So here we have to include this 5 inch rod will be split into 2 pieces. One of 2 inch and another one size is 3 inch. And the maximum revenue which we will get is 14. So this is about rod cutting problem using dynamic